Want to make your home look effortlessly sleek while staying super functional? These aesthetic smart home gadgets bring modern style and minimalist vibes to every corner, from lighting to organization. They simplify daily life while keeping your space clean and chic. All products are linked in the description below. Tired of bending over and chasing dust around your home? This ultra-slim robot vacuum and mop handles it all for you. At just over 3 inches tall, it slides under sofas, beds, and cabinets to catch hidden dirt. Powerful 15,000 Pascal suction and edge-hugging brushes sweep every corner, while AI obstacle avoidance keeps it running smoothly around furniture and toys. The hands-free Omni Station washes, dries, and empties it automatically, so cleaning practically takes care of itself. Why wait forever for hot water when you can have it fast and safe? This retro electric kettle boils a full pot in minutes, giving you up to 7 cups of tea, coffee, or milk in no time. Made entirely of stainless steel, it keeps your water BPA free and healthy. The built-in thermometer and LED button let you heat water to the perfect temperature, while the cordless design makes pouring effortless. Auto shut-off and safety features mean you never have to worry about overheating or spills. Why settle for a plain TV stand when you can add warmth and style? This electric Fireplace TV console holds TVs up to 80 inches while giving your room a cozy glow. Adjustable flames and LED lights set the perfect mood for movie nights, dinners, or relaxing evenings. 2 side cabinets and extra compartments keep your space tidy and organized. Safe, energy-efficient heating warms up to 400 square feet, so comfort and style go hand in hand. Double the baskets, double the deliciousness. This air fryer lets you cook 2 different meals at once, each with its own temperature and timer. Smart Sync makes sure both baskets finish together, so everything comes out perfectly. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup fast and easy. The touchscreen display and auto shut-off keep your cooking precise, safe, and stress-free. Who says speakers have to be boring? This Bluetooth speaker looks like a vintage record player and even rotates like one while playing your favorite tunes. It gently fills your room with a sweet floral scent, turning any evening into a relaxing moment. The warm LED nightlight adds cozy vibes, perfect for bedtime or a chill night in. Despite its small size, the sound is loud and clear, bringing music to life wherever you are. Always have a cold drink ready without running to the kitchen. This mini fridge holds up to 130 cans and keeps everything at the perfect temperature with adjustable settings. LED lighting makes it easy to spot your favorite beverage, even in the dark. The quiet compressor ensures cooling without noise, so it fits anywhere, from your office to your game room. Sleek and compact, it's a simple way to upgrade any space with chilled drinks on demand. Why settle for a plain nightstand when you can have one that works as hard as you do? This modern bedside table charges your phone and tablet with built-in USB, Type-C, and AC outlets, while creating a cozy vibe with color-changing LED lights. A hidden, lockable compartment keeps your valuables safe, and 3 drawers store everything else neatly. The glossy finish looks sleek and wipes clean in seconds. Stylish, smart, and practical, it's the ultimate upgrade for your bedroom. Bring the ocean right into your room with this mesmerizing Jellyfish Lamp. 2 lifelike jellyfish float and swirl in quiet, graceful motion, creating a peaceful, calming vibe. Choose from 7 colors or use the LED projector to turn any ceiling into an underwater show. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or as a unique gift, it combines fun and relaxation. Watch it glow, move, and transform your space into a tranquil ocean oasis. Why settle for a boring coffee table when it can do so much more? This lift-top table transforms into a dining, gaming, or workstation in seconds. Hidden compartments, drawers, and an open shelf keep your space neat and organized. RGB LED lights add mood and color for movie nights or cozy evenings. Strong, quiet, and stylish, it's the perfect centerpiece for any living room. Serve drinks in style without any spills or mess. This 1.25-gallon dispenser comes with a stainless steel spigot that prevents leaks while pouring. The built-in ice core keeps beverages cold without watering them down. Its elevated bamboo stand makes filling tall glasses easy, and the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Durable, BPA-free acrylic ensures it's safe and ready for parties, gatherings, or everyday use. Say goodbye to messy hands and smelly trash. This smart trash can open with just a wave of your hand or a knee bump, keeping everything touch-free. When it's full, the self-sealing system packs your garbage automatically so you never have to touch it. Even better, it swaps in a fresh bag for you, saving time and effort every single day. With included refill rings and helpful voice prompts, it's a tidy, hands-free solution for any room. Bad lighting can ruin a great shot. This compact video light gives you soft, balanced brightness wherever you film. Adjust the warmth and intensity to keep skin tones natural in any setting. It's rechargeable, travel-friendly, and works handheld or mounted. Perfect for vlogs, meetings, or quick studio setups on the go. Just switch it on and you're ready to look your best in seconds. Stop juggling cables for every device you own. This 4-in-1 charging cable powers up phones, tablets, laptops, and more all at once. With 4 connectors built in, you can switch between USB-A, USB-C, and iOS devices without swapping cords. The soft, tangle-free silicone lasts through thousands of bends, while the smart chip keeps charging safe and fast. Plus, you get high-speed data transfer, so syncing files is just as quick as charging. Wake up and power up all at once. This bedside lamp doubles as a wireless charger and digital alarm clock, keeping your nightstand neat and organized. Touch control lets you adjust brightness or snooze the alarm with a single tap. Choose from colorful RGB lighting or soft white for reading, relaxing, or gaming vibes. It's compact, stylish, and keeps your phone charged without messy cables. Smoothies, shakes, or protein drinks made easy and stylish. This personal blender blends right in its own bottle, so you can mix, drink, and go. 2 speed settings let you control the texture, and the backlit knob makes operation simple and fun. The stainless steel blades crush ice and fruits effortlessly, while non-slip feet keep it steady. Bonus: 2 BPA-free bottles let you blend, store, or take your drinks anywhere. All aboard the relaxation train. This adorable diffuser fills your room with soothing mist and your favorite essential oils. It has 2 mist modes, continuous for overnight use or intermittent for a gentle, decorative effect. Warm or cool lighting sets the perfect mood while improving air quality and moisturizing your skin. Compact and stylish, it's perfect for bedrooms, desks, or living rooms, and makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves cozy vibes. Imagine sinking into a cloud every time you sit. This oversized sectional sofa fits 7 to 8 people comfortably, making it perfect for movie nights or big family gatherings. Each piece is modular, so you can move seats and ottomans to fit your space or mood. Plush, double-layer cushions with high-density foam give you soft, cloud-like comfort, while the sturdy frame keeps everything stable. Easy to clean and built to last, it turns any living room into a cozy, stylish retreat. Add a touch of industrial charm to any room. This 4-tier console table features a unique circular base with staggered shelves, perfect for displaying decor or organizing everyday essentials. The rustic wood finish adds warmth, while the sturdy metal frame keeps everything stable. Narrow enough for hallways, but versatile enough for behind a sofa or as a TV stand. Easy to assemble and built to last, it's both functional and stylish in any space. Light up your space while keeping things organized. This modern floor lamp doubles as a display with 3 shelves for photos, plants, or books. Pull the chain to switch between warm, neutral, or cool lighting and set the perfect mood for any room. The included LED bulb shows colors clearly, while the sleek wooden design adds style to your living room, bedroom, or office. Easy to assemble and built to last, it's both functional and decorative. Meet your new countertop multitasker. This smart toaster oven does it all. Air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, slow cook, and more with 11 cooking functions. The 25-quart capacity fits family-sized meals, from pizza to toast, while the powerful motor cooks up to 30% faster than regular ovens. Touchscreen controls make setting temperatures and timers effortless, and pairing with the app lets you monitor cooking from anywhere. It's like having a personal sous chef right on your counter. Kick back and relax in style. This accent chair comes with a matching Ottoman, perfect for stretching out while reading, watching TV, or taking a quick nap. The adjustable backrest lets you find your perfect angle, while the tufted corded fabric adds a touch of elegance to any room. Thick cushions keep you comfy, and a sturdy wooden metal frame makes it built to last. Easy to assemble, it's a cozy and versatile addition to your living space. Step into the future of your morning routine. This smart vanity mirror hides a 21.5-inch touchscreen behind premium glass, giving you apps, music, weather, and more without losing the classic mirror look. 3 touch controls adjust LED lighting, brightness, and anti-fog settings instantly. Built-in speakers fill the room with sound, while HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth keep you connected. Sleek, modern, and functional, it turns your bathroom into a smart, stylish space. Bring a splash of calm and color to any room. This 72-inch bubble wall fountain creates soothing water sounds, while vibrant LED lights dance in 16 colors and 6 lighting effects. Use the remote to adjust brightness, speed, or mode without leaving your seat. The stainless steel base and clear acrylic panel make it durable and stylish, while the cascading bubbles add a tranquil, eye-catching focal point to your home or office. Turn any corner into a cozy retreat. This freestanding electric fireplace delivers instant warmth with 3 heat settings, from gentle comfort to full power. The 3 LED flames dance realistically, creating a relaxing atmosphere alongside quiet operation under 20 decibels. Lightweight and portable, you can move it from bedroom to office with ease. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection keep you worry-free while you enjoy the glow. Keep drinks perfectly chilled with zero hassle. This countertop nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable ice in just 10 to 15 minutes, delivering up to 33 pounds every day. One-touch dispensing makes serving quick and mess-free, while the removable water tank keeps refills and cleaning simple. With smart LED indicators and a self-cleaning function, this compact machine is perfect for your kitchen, home bar, or office. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.